Welcome to the Copeland Mobile video series. This video will cover the operating envelope. To benefit from this video, you must have downloaded the Copeland Mobile app to your cell phone. If not, you need to visit your app store, enter Copeland in the search engine, select Copeland Mobile, then download Copeland Mobile to your cell phone or view the Copeland Mobile app download video below. Let's get started. Scan or enter a compressor serial, model, or part number. The scanning function requires your phone to have an active camera. If you type in a number, note the drop-down menu has several numbers to select from. Select on the affected model. Next, select your application. Then, select Performance from the drop-down list. Select Operating Envelope. Scroll down and select Share to view more details. In the upper right-hand corner, select the Share button if you would like to share with others. Thank you for viewing this video. Please click like and subscribe to the Copeland Mobile video series.